Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to never ever fail the take-home challenge. So let's get started. So a company has asked you to write some code and this is what you've come up with. So I'm going to give you a second, but you need to tell me why you might have failed this take-home challenge based on what I've shown you. Okay, that second is up. So it's not what you necessarily think. You're thinking, oh, the style isn't that good, this isn't that good, and so on and so forth. In reality, that has nothing to do with the reason why you failed the take-home challenge. The reason you failed the take-home challenge is because you didn't write a unit test. Unit tests are important for companies, and I feel like a lot of candidates just don't understand this. So the reason why unit tests are important for companies is because when you get a job as a professional coder, you need to test your code. This helps businesses ensure that they are getting quality from you and that when something breaks, they can quickly fix it. So a lot of companies will send you take-home tests and they won't necessarily tell you that you have to write tests. But the reality is they are going to reject the candidates that didn't write the tests. Right? This is sort of a secret, something that's untold, and it will save you a lot if you write the unit test. And even if the company wasn't expecting you to write unit tests for whatever reason, well, you look like the superior candidate when you come up with your unit tests. So I strongly recommend that you write unit tests for any take-home challenge that you do. I have lost jobs, I have written amazing code, and then the feedback that I get is that the code was amazing, it looked beautiful, but you didn't write a unit test. So make sure you don't fall into this trap. And with this code here, maybe it's not the most amazing, but so this is the code for it, but I got to the next stage of the interview. And the reason I got to the next stage of the interview is because I wrote a unit test. There was another developer who didn't get to the next stage. His code could have been much better because he didn't write a unit test. He's not showing the company that he's prepared to code in their way. That's my video. Thank you. If you guys want me to cover anything like the resume, how to apply to jobs, what are sort of the best jobs you can get in and out of the city of London or in any other place, please leave a comment. And also like and subscribe. And it's been a pleasure. Remember, keep striving, keep persevering. You're gonna get there soon, I promise. Have a nice day.